Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can hide or remove grid lines from your tables and spreadsheets and Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So let me head over to that example document here and close that tab to the right. So to give you a quick explanation, guys, these grid lines are the following. For example, if I highlighted that range of cells here, you will see these grid lines here in the background. They're barely visible, but they are visible. So if you'd like to remove these or hide them, you will need to do the following. Simply navigate to view in the top left, navigate or hover your mouse over show, and simply unselect grid lines. And that's it. Now, as you can see, if I highlight a range of cells, there won't be any grid lines, simply empty blank space like that. And that's it. If you'd like to enable them back again, click it to view, hover your mouse over show, and select grid lines. And there you go, they're back again. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.